Bonjour beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Adhya. In this video, I'm back with a very fun topic, which is giving dates and more specifically years. So as you might remember, I was dealing with numbers recently, and that was not just because I wanted to revise it with you, but it was also taking it to another level. Years is a really easy concept. I know it looks really big because there are huge numbers, there's huge spellings, but I think when you go to the next level, it's good for you to sort of make your basics stronger and know the rules, because it's not that complicated and we don't want to complicate it further, right? So coming back, first of all, before beginning, I would want to say that if you haven't watched the previous videos about numbers, I would strongly recommend you to watch those, because without watching those, I don't think you'll be able to do this, because these are already explained in that video, so I won't be going that deep. All right, so let's get started. Starts with the mille, not one. Obviously, this is a rule that we want to state. And I said that before as well many times. In French, in numbers, you usually start with the bigger number and not the smaller one. So it goes from descending order. So that's why you won't say the mille, you will say the mille un. Okay? Now, over here, as I've said before as well, in French, it's usually easier if you're a beginner to break down the number of ones and then write it. So basically, if it's 2001, you'll say 2000 plus 1, and then 2000 is the mille, and 1 is so the mille un. Alright? Then if it's 2010, then 2000 plus 10, then it will be the mille dix. If it's 2011, then make sure that you don't think like 2000 plus 10 plus 1. That's not how it's going to be, because in numbers, you don't say these 11 is not these it's ons, so that's why I'm gonna say the mille ons. However, if it would have been like 2019, then it would be the mille 19, because 19 is broken down into 10 plus 9, right? You don't have a separate word for 19 itself, so there's no like way you can also say 2019 without saying 19, right? Then there is 2016, that's the mille six. Okay, now you have some exercises over here. You have the words here, and now we have to write the years. All right, so let's get started. The mille cinq, it's 2005, so 2005. Then we have the mille quinze. Quinze is something that comes before six, and that's 15, so 2015. Then we have the mille vingt-deux, which is 2022, the last year. The mille deux, 2002. The mille douze, 2012. The mille trente, so 2030, which is gonna come after 7 years. Whoa, okay. 2001 is the mille un, as over here. Okay, let me hide this side because some of them are over here as well. Alright, and now how did I do that? I said 2000 plus 1. 2000 is the mille, and then if I talk about 2011, as I was saying before, it will be 2000 plus 11, and thus it will be the mille ons. 2014 will be 2000 plus 14, that will be the mille, and that will be onze, douze, treize, quatorze. 2004 will be 2000 plus 4. So that will be the mille quatre. Okay, let's wait for 2040 first. Let's go to 2025. So 2000 plus 25, as we said over here, the mille vingt-deux. This one will be the mille vingt. And what's 5? Sac, okay? I'll add it here. Perfect. So for 2040, we'll say the mille quarante, okay? So that will be 2000 plus 40. The mille quarante, which is quite similar to what we said for 2030, the mille trente. And there is no need to break it down further. It's not going to be like 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 or like 20 plus 20, no, because you have specific words for 30 and 40, unlike what we have for 80, which is like 4 into 25, right, as we discussed in previous videos. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope this concept was clear. I mean, This is not how tough, is it? I think if you know the concepts, then this is not easy at all. So make sure to watch the previous videos to be very sure of the basics and make notes. Let me know in the comment section if you need videos on any other concepts, or if there's any specific questions. I'll be more than happy to make videos on those concepts and answer your questions in the comment sections. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with everyone. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.